Hi everyone, I wanted to share a quick video of a new release that just hit our website. I haven't even photographed the brand new colors of the milled grain faux leather. If you want to see all of the 7 brand new colors, check out my next video where I give you a sneak peek of those. I'm not going to be able to photograph the new colors for our website until after Thanksgiving, but if you are eager to purchase them now and want to go off the next video, feel free to do that. They are available now online. So the Teal came in, and Sharon, one of our employees, fell in love with it, had to take it out with next to all of our printed vinyls to find the matches that went with it. And boy, we were shocked at how many colors matched, or I should say how many prints matched the teal milled grain faux leather. So here is our painted perch, one of my favorite prints. This is a bag that I will be making here in the near future because I love this combination. This is our Autumn Cascade. One of our retiring prints. This is called, let me see here, Painter's Garden. So if you like this print, snag it up because once it's sold out, we will not be bringing it back. One of our newest vinyls on our last shipment is Misty Weave. This is such a great combination. Our Mystic Owls is one of our biggest best-selling printed vinyls. So this one matches the teal absolutely perfect. They all do. It's just amazing how many match. This is our Dusky. Let me check that. Dusky Dreams. Wanted to make sure that I got that right. This is another print that's temporarily retiring. We'll bring that back next fall. So if you guys like this combo, grab the Dusky Dreams before it's gone. And lastly, this Rainbow Cats print came in on our last shipment as well and looks perfect with the teal milled grain faux leather. So shop all of the milled grain faux leather new colors on our website. Make sure you check out that next video so you can see the colors before I get a chance to photograph them. They're all gorgeous.